Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into the right session and gear. Fast internet prevents lost runs. Once logged, equip speed boosts and a pet that extends pickup range because movement efficiency multiplies earnings per minute. Then join active parties or accept daily job requests to stack coin bonuses. Those add small percentages that quickly compound. Make sure to focus on reachable, repeatable tasks first, since consistent small runs outperform sporadic long hunts. Once underway, refine your route to cut wasted steps. Memorize 2 to 3 compact loops that hit high-yield spawns. While running, activate any double coin events and time-limited boosts together so they overlap. This stacking is why tiny boosts feel huge. Keep party uptime high so shared bonuses persist, and choose short, repeatable rounds instead of long, wandering sessions. If an area gets crowded, switch loops quickly. You want continuous coin flow, not long idle waits. To finish, cash in and bank coins promptly so you don't lose progress when switching servers or if a crash happens. If your coin rate suddenly drops, reset your UI or relog, and then try a less populated server. Desynchronization often causes missing pickups. Make sure you track event windows and boost timers before starting another run, because planning around double coin periods yields the best returns. If a persistent bug appears, restart the game and re-equip boosts to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.